onboard system integration, engineering challenges, and risk mitigation. Innovative technologies are transforming the maritime industry at an unprecedented pace. But integrating a new system on board is often where the real challenge begins. A technology may perform perfectly in the workshop, yet fail to deliver its expected benefits once integrated on board. Interfaces with existing systems, piping routing, automation, class compliance, and operational constraints can quickly turn a promising project into a costly and complex problem. So, how do you ensure that a new technology is well integrated into an existing vessel without risks, delays, or expensive redesigns? An in-depth knowledge of the technology to be integrated is only the starting point, and it is not enough on its own. Piping engineering skills, together with marine engineering expertise, are required to perform the calculations and produce the drawings needed to make every integrated technology work as intended. Anticipating installation issues, integration interference, and safety concerns before they occur is what separates a successful project from a disastrous one. Not knowing the technology or lacking sufficient expertise in marine system engineering can lead to incorrect design choices that generate expensive reworks. At Flowazur Consulting, we support EPC, shipyards, and OEMs in integrating new technologies on board, reducing project risk while simplifying the engineering phase. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work at sea. Flowazur.com